Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy trick to get PlayStation Plus free for 12 whole months. That's right, an entire year of online multiplayer, monthly free games, and exclusive discounts without spending a dime. I've already tried this method myself and it worked like a charm, so now I'll walk you step by step through the process. It only takes a few minutes on your phone, but make sure you watch closely so you don't miss any important details. Let's jump right in and get your free PS Plus membership today. First, grab your phone and open up your browser. I'm using Safari, but any browser will do. Then go to snazzycoupons.com. This site is completely legit and provides working coupon codes and offers that actually deliver. Once you're on the site, tap on the search bar and type Free Plus. That's the keyword that will bring up the offer we're looking for. When the results load, scroll until you see the offer and tap on it. It'll take you to a detailed page where you'll see all the information about the deal, including a short summary, how long the offer lasts, and reviews from other users who've already redeemed it. You'll also see the coupon code, but it'll be hidden at first. To unlock it, click Show Coupon Code, and after a few seconds, hit Get Full Code. Now here comes the most important part, the human verification step. This is just to confirm that you're not a bot and is 100% safe and easy to complete. You'll be asked to do 2 or 3 quick offers. These usually involve downloading a free app from the App Store or Google Play, signing up or reaching a simple milestone like opening the app or completing a short tutorial. Everything is clearly explained under each offer so you know exactly what's required. Once you've completed the offers, go back to the site and the code will unlock on your screen, just like that. Copy the code and follow the instructions to redeem it. This method worked perfectly on my device, and I know a bunch of others who've tried it with no issues at all. Just make sure to follow each step exactly as shown so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content like this, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I always reply. See you in my next video.